Get ready, tech fans, because Microsoft Sphere is dropping the hottest news you need to know. First up, Adobe's latest numbers are in, and the market is reacting. Then, we're diving deep into groundbreaking cancer research with Trastuzumab Pamirtecan. Next, Microsoft and Adobe are locking down your digital world with critical security updates. And finally, we've got a massive investor shakeup involving Adobe. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Adobe's latest earnings, a mixed bag for investors. Adobe just dropped its fiscal third-quarter results for 2025, and the market's response was a bit muted. While the tech giant announced record revenue just shy of $6 billion, the growth was only 1% year-over-year. Adjusted net income saw a healthier 8% jump, reaching nearly $2.3 billion. These figures did surpass analyst expectations, but not by a landslide. Many observers were looking for a stronger showing, especially with Adobe heavily emphasizing its AI integration across its product suite. Investors were clearly hoping for more explosive growth from their AI investments. The company also provided its outlook for the current quarter and the full year 2025. They anticipate fourth-quarter revenue between $6.08 billion and $6.13 billion, with adjusted net income projected at $5.35.40 per share. These projections align closely with current analyst estimates, suggesting a steady, albeit not dramatic, path forward. Don't go anywhere, because the market's reaction to Adobe's performance is just the beginning of our deep dive. Next up, we're shifting gears to life-saving medical breakthroughs. A major leap in breast cancer treatment, Trastuzumab Pamirtecan shines. In a significant development for oncology, Trastuzumab Pamirtecan has demonstrated impressive results in its Phase 3 trial for HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. This new treatment has shown a marked improvement in progression-free survival for patients who have already undergone prior treatment with trastuzumab and taxane-based chemotherapy. This breakthrough offers a new ray of hope for patients battling advanced HER2-positive breast cancer. The data presented indicates a positive step forward in expanding treatment options for this challenging form of the disease. The successful progression-free survival endpoint suggests a meaningful benefit for patients, potentially delaying disease progression and improving quality of life. This news is a testament to the power of scientific innovation in fighting cancer. But our journey isn't over yet. Next, we're talking about crucial security updates from Microsoft and Adobe. Microsoft and Adobe's September Patch Tuesday, fortifying your defenses. It's that time of month again. Microsoft and Adobe have unleashed their September 2025 Patch Tuesday updates, and these are critical for keeping your systems secure. Microsoft has tackled a staggering 86 vulnerabilities, including 9 critical and 72 important ones. What's especially noteworthy is that 2 of these were zero-day vulnerabilities, meaning they were publicly known and potentially already exploited before the patch was released. These patches address a wide array of products, from Windows Hyper-V and SQL Server to Microsoft Edge and various core Windows components like the kernel and NTLM. The vulnerabilities patched span multiple threat types, including spoofing, denial of service, elevation of privilege, information disclosure, and remote code execution. Adobe, meanwhile, has issued 9 advisories to fix 22 vulnerabilities across products like Acrobat Reader, After Effects, and Premiere Pro, with 12 of those being critical. This comprehensive update is essential for any organization looking to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats and protect against potential breaches. Staying secure is paramount, and these updates are a huge step in the right direction. But before we wrap up, we've got one more major financial story to bring you. Institutional investors eyeing Adobe, a strategic shift. Acadian Asset Management, LLC, has significantly boosted its stake in Adobe Inc., doubling its position in the first quarter by acquiring an additional 169,862 shares. This move brings their total holding to 337,217 shares, representing 0.08% of Adobe's stock, and valued at a substantial $129,314,000. This isn't an isolated event, as other institutional investors like Siemens Funds, Invest GmbH, and newcomers 1248 Management LLC have also recently increased or initiated positions in Adobe. This increased investor interest comes despite a mixed analyst outlook. While some analysts maintain a buy rating with price targets around $435, others have issued hold or even sell ratings with price targets as low as $280. Adobe's recent quarterly earnings, while meeting expectations, showed modest year-over-year growth, prompting some to question the stock's trajectory. However, the substantial buying activity from major asset managers suggests a strong conviction in Adobe's long-term potential, perhaps driven by its strategic focus on AI and its expansive software ecosystem. It's clear that Adobe is a company on many investors' minds, but what does this mean for you? We'll give you the full rundown in our lightning round recap, so stay tuned. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Adobe's earnings showed steady growth, Trastuzumab Pamirtecan offers new hope in breast cancer treatment, Microsoft and Adobe dropped critical security patches, and institutional investors are making big moves on Adobe stock. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more essential tech and business news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all our social channels for even more insights. We'll see you in the next video.